Hello gentlemen, how are you? Today we are starting a new series, that is unboxing of our equipments. As you know, our company Mark, we are making a lot of products, very innovative products for the process control industry as well as the steel and power industry, as well as oil and gas industries. So today I will be speaking to you about specifically on a subject which is earth resistance. See, earth resistance is very important in any industry. You have to measure the resistance of the earth, as well as there are many resistances which are there in either motors and where you have to do the measurement. So today we will be speaking on one product, that is the digital insulation tester, which I am having with me. This Metravi, this is the product Metravi digital insulation. The number is DIT909. DIT909, you can see. In fact, this way I think it will be better. You can see DIT909. So we will be unboxing this whole product, and we will be speaking on the pros and the cons of this Metravi product. So let's begin, gentlemen. So you see, we got an excellent box, a cardboard box that has been sent to be my Metravi, and we just unbox this. Then we find there is another box inside of a polythene box, and this can be unzipped. The moment we unzip, we find the basic instrument there. This is there, beautifully there in a plastic. And besides that, we have got some accessories, like we have this Metravi calibration certificate. Now Metravi is a great company. I have been doing business with these guys, Metravi. Earlier Mr. Bansali was there. Now Vikram Bansali, his son, is looking after. Great people, tough people, but great people. Tough because they don't speak to you much. But whenever you ask from any customer support, they definitely give. They have got their manufacturing in China, so all the products are sent to China for manufacturing and for service backup also. But you get the service, like it takes some time, a month or twice, but you get the service. And they give this beautiful calibration certificate with every product. I am just bringing it in front, you can have a look. So it is, they have got this ISO 9001 certification, ISO 9000, 2001 certification, and every instrument is given a serial number and it is stamped. So let's move this calibration certificate. Next, what I get is this instruction manual. You see, this is the Metravi instruction manual, which basically gives an idea of the product and how to use in all the conditions. Now coming to the other accessories that we are getting inside the box, we get this beautifully paired tester. This is the basic test element which is there, they are having. And besides that, we get these cables, attachment cables. We get various other crocodile clips. We get a pair of batteries. These batteries we are getting, these are all alkaline batteries and certified batteries along with this. And then we have the mother instrument with us. Now if I look at the basic instrument, see, the basic instrument is something like this. I hope you can see this. It's beautifully made. There is an excellent texture. There is a rubberized body, so even if it falls or something, it doesn't damage the basic instrument. The other thing, which I like about Metravi a lot is their color combination. Just look, it's beautifully colored, so the operator can easily understand which is the insulation resistance part, which is the voltage part, as well as which is the testing part. See, it has got three color combinations. This is the red part, this is the yellow part, and this is the gray part. So this is how the whole thing operates. So next what we will do is we will try to give power to this instrument and show you its functioning. Hello gentlemen, as we were speaking on this digital insulation tester, so now what we did the unboxing. Now the mother instrument that I was showing you, that is there with me right now. See, this is the mother instrument which I was telling about you, the Metravi. So now what we'll do, we will try to power this instrument. So this instrument, you basically see, it has a rubberized body. There is a beautiful color combination out there. Then you have this test clip basically, and then you have a great TFT screen. Now the best thing which I love about Metravi is this huge screen which gives you all the information. So let's do, we'll try to put, see, this is the back part which you see, and be careful. See, there is a clip which you put for open like this, and then you have to unbox, put the batteries here. Now, one thing which I find very interesting, and I want to tell it to you, is this is a little problematic area. Like, you have to unscrew the screws. What people do is they unscrew the screws here and they try to pull the whole thing. But don't do like that. Your instrument can get damaged. Unscrew the screws from here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, and then you have got one more screw here. Unscrew that, and then your whole instrument opens up. See, when it opens up, it is basically like this. See, this is the cavity where you can put the batteries, and this is a cover which you have to then put it on top of that. So we'll do one thing, we'll just try to put the batteries here. Okay. So these are the batteries you see I am having right now with me. So I'll try to put the batteries all inside this instrument. So here you can see, gentlemen, this is the basic box. Now we'll put the batteries one by one. So when you see it has got combination inside, in which position to put the battery, and the battery we are using is an alkaline battery, and it is certified. You will find it is ISO 9001 certification it carries. So we'll now put the batteries one by one inside this. So on the top part you see the positive. So again you put another battery here. So this one row is complete. Now we try to finish the next row. So now our next row is also complete. Now we put the third row. Once all our batteries are fixed, now we put the battery cover on top of it. Now our next part is we screw the whole thing. Screw not in that sense, but in a sense like we have to fix these screws here. Okay. So now we are screwing up this part. It is done. It is done. Now this part, it's done. So it's now complete. See, now we just use the instrument. We have to power it. You can see there is a beep which comes, which tells yes, the instrument was okay. So now this is the test button for testing. If your connection is okay, it will give you a sound like this. Now here, this part you see, this is for voltage, AC voltage, this is for DC voltage, this is for continuity testing, this is for resistance, this is for 1000 volt, this is for 500 volt, this is for 250 volt, this is for 100 volt, and this is finally for 50 volt. And this, you have these areas where you can plug the sockets. So I'll just tell you, this is the main testing module, the earth testance module. This is a switch by which you can power. This is the main sensor part, this part, and this is the connecting part of the cable. So now what we do is, see, it is given what we have to do. It is mentioned very clearly. See, what we have to do is this part. We have to put it here, insulation. You see this insulation column here, and it is cat. So this we will simply put it like this here, this position. It goes inside. So now whenever you have to check the insulation, we will put this unit on the insulation here. So it gives me a reading 50 above. Okay, so this is there. Now we can also use this instrument for measuring, use as a multimeter, and for we can use the instrument to use as a multimeter. For that we have got another cable which I am carrying right now. Now we have to just put this, open this pin out of this cable like this. The other part we put it like this, and we have to move the main sensor out. And here what you have to do is the black portion which you had, you have to put in common, and the red portion you have to put it here. Now so now the other end of the cable I'll just show you. This is the other end of the cable. this part. You have to put the black plug and the red plug out, and once you have put the plug out, we basically get these attachments with that. We've got this long attachment and we have this crocodile plug sort of attachment like this. So we take a crocodile plug, we put this crocodile plug inside this. Now you can put it in any place to take the measurements. Similarly, we take this red plug, we put it out here. Now we have got these two probes ready. So now you can put it anywhere and you can do your testings. Okay, now just have a look that it is here and it is here. Okay, so now if you have to measure voltage, it is V. If you want to measure AC voltage, here. If you want to have a DC voltage, it is here, like this. Now what you do, one thing, see, for measuring any sort of, taking any sort of measurements or any such anything, the best way to do that is to follow the instruction manual. See, our instruction manual for Metravi is beautifully made. Okay, it has all the details of the instrument, and the another very good thing about our manual is that we give you graphical descriptions. See, we give you a beautiful graphical description how to do the testing. Okay, so I hope this unboxing video was good, and for more information please visit our website. We have a website, it is known as www.markinfocom, and I will give you a lot of features of this instrument there, and you can personally talk to me. My numbers are there in my website. So then we just take this instrument and try it out. So gentlemen, I do hope, that my video was informative. It gave you all the information about this instrument. If there is any other thing you want to know about us, do visit us as our website www.markinfocom.com. Also, we have a channel on YouTube by the name of Mark Technologies. You can visit there and take a lot of information on that. We give you consultancy on electrical consultancy as well as insulation consultancy. So you can personally call me on my numbers. My numbers are given in my website when you visit. So then take care of yourself. Corona is spreading very fast. So wear the mask, be safe and keep your family safe. Thank you.